people. I would like to talk about my previous uploaded video. I have taken the song Apologize and put it very quickly, so it sounded like Alvin and the Chipmunks were singing it. I really liked the movie Alvin and the Chipmunks because of their voices and the good storyline. I just want to say that I was planning to upload several paper blow dart gun tutorials to YouTube, so to see guns that look like this. Please subscribe to my channel. I have made 2 guns that look like this. This one and this one. If you think that those 2 guns were one gun, think again. I really enjoyed the fact that I can now talk like Alvin. Of course, this is just an edit on my voice. If you are going to ask me how to do this, I will tell you that you need to go to Windows Movie Maker, put on the clip with the music onto the Windows Movie Maker, and then add an effect on it. The effect is called Speed Up Double. You may also talk weird by slowing down half, which is another Windows Movie Maker effect. So I do not have much I can talk about, except what I have spent my winter break on. You might find it very, very funny, but I have spent my entire winter, I meant spring break. I get mixed up pretty quickly between spring break and winter break. Well, I spent my spring break creating paper guns. I know it sounds weird. I think so too. Well, I have made these 2 guns and 2 M16s and another double-barrel shotgun made out of newspaper during the spring break. If you want, please post a comment on what you have done this spring break, or create a video response. If you think this is useless, well, screw you. I don't care. Also, I would like to see some rapid fire or just machine gun tutorials. I have looked up several tutorials, but they did not seem like what I was looking for. If you know a link to a YouTube or any other kind of video about how to make a rapid fire looking or an actual rapid fire paper gun, I beg you to send me one. And if you have a tutorial that you made, I am also looking forward to see it. I will now show you my other 3 guns. Of course, they are paper guns. But before I do so, I would like to tell you a joke that my friend has taught me. It might offend people with yellow skin, meaning Asians or Native Americans, or more Asians, because the joke includes an offense about Asians. So here it is. Black man, white man, Mexican, Asian. At first I did not get the joke, but it means that Asian storekeepers are usually the ones with their hands up. Here is another joke that I found. 6 archaeologists were digging, and 5 of them found an item each. The first one found a Bible. The second one found a fish. The third one found a spade. The fourth one found a donkey. And the fifth one found a dog. The sixth one made a sentence out of all the stuff found. This is what it said. Holy mackerel, dig the ass of that bitch. Holy means the Bible. Mackerel is the fish. Dig is the spade. Ass is the donkey. And bitch is the dog. And there are some other jokes that I found. Like, 4 people are riding a truck in Australia. An Arab, a French, an American, and a Mexican. The Arab shoots several bullets from an AK-47 assault rifle and throws it out of the window. The American asks him, "Why did you do that?" The Arab says, "I got a lot of them back from where I come from." Threw out a bottle of wine after drinking a bit. The American asked the French, "Why did you do that?" The French said, "I got a lot of wine from where I come from." The American was inspired, grabbed the Mexican, and threw him out, because from where he comes from, there is also a lot of Mexican people. I hoped those jokes were funny. Could you also tell me several jokes? I am collecting them for a website that I am making. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, and I will show you how to make paper guns. Like this. Like this. Like this. And a lot more.